The best camera is the one that captures every angle. Meet the Insta360 ONE. It records in every direction, so you never miss a shot. Shooting in 360 unlocks some amazing possibilities, like hypnotically smooth stabilization, or a selfie stick that disappears, so that your camera can fly. Slow things down to get a mind-blowing perspective. Cinematic edits are easy. Just mark the best parts of your shot. The ONE connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Lock on to any subject. The ONE keeps it steady in center frame. Show 2 angles at once and get the whole story. Use the ONE on its own, or shoot 360 straight from your phone. You can focus on enjoying the moment. The ONE will take care of capturing it.